In today's video, we are going to cover how to search test transactions in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Before you search for anything, make sure test mode is turned on. This matters because the transactions you are looking for need to come from your test environment, not your live account activity. If test mode is off, the results on the page will reflect live data instead. Once test mode is enabled, move to the left sidebar and select Transactions. This opens the main area where Stripe shows account activity and gives you tools to narrow down what you want to find. If the page takes a moment to load, wait for the transaction list and filter options to appear before continuing. On the Transactions page, choose the type of transaction you want to review. You can switch between payments, payouts, top-ups, or all activity, depending on what kind of test transaction you need to find. Selecting the right category first helps keep the results focused and avoids mixing unrelated records together. After that, apply a status filter. Click the status that matches the result you want to review, such as succeeded, refunded, disputed, failed, or uncaptured. This is useful when you already know how the transaction ended and want to narrow the list before adding more details. You can then refine the search further with additional filters. Use options like date and time, amount, currency, status, payment method, or more filters. These filters help reduce a longer list into a smaller set of results that match the exact transaction conditions you are checking. If you are looking for a transaction from a specific test run, date and amount are often the quickest ways to narrow it down. With those filters in place, review the filtered results in the transaction list. Browse through the matching entries and look for the one that fits the details you selected. Stripe will update the list based on the filters you applied, so this is where you confirm whether the results match what you expected to see. When you find a transaction you want, click it to open the full record. This will show the complete transaction details inside Stripe, which can include the current status and the related information tied to that test transaction. Use this view when you need to inspect one result more closely rather than just scanning the list. If the transaction you need does not appear, go back and adjust the filters. You can change one or more filter settings or clear them completely to search again with a wider or different set of conditions. This is useful when the original filter combination was too narrow or did not match the transaction details exactly. Your Stripe dashboard is now filtered to find and review test transactions.